guys, this is Miss Descendant from the South. Yes, South with an F. I'm going to be showing you today how to make vegan steak. Stay tuned. Now we're going to go ahead and make our steaks. We're going to combine all these ingredients that you see here. Your vaginal wheat. This is the main ingredient that will bind all the other ingredients together. You're going to add in your lentils. Make sure that you're using the dark green lentils. Next, you're going to add in your nutritional yeast, your tomato puree, next your garlic powder, your chili powder. You're going to add in some pepper and soy sauce, and lastly your salt. We're going to combine this, mix this up for just a few seconds. You don't have to blend it long. Now you're going to add in your water. The water is going to give it that consistency that you're looking for. So you're going to blend it again for another few seconds. Now we're going to remove it from the chopper. You see how it has that texture of a steak? I'm going to stretch it a little bit so you can see. Did you see? You see how that texture looks just like a steak?
It's the texture for me. It's the texture for me. You see that texture on there?
Now we're going to place it on a cutting board. But let me move some of this stuff out of the way first because I'm going to need a lot of room because it's time to get rough with this thing here. And what you want to do now, you want to knead and pull. You want to repeat this for a few times, giving it a good stretch. You see how when you stretch it, you can actually see the fibers like you would see in a regular steak. Right here is where you're going to need your rolling pin. You want to roll this out. You don't have to roll it out really thin, but you want to stretch it out enough so where you can cut 4 pieces of steak out of this. Now you're going to take your knife and cut these into 4 pieces. These really do look like steaks. Look at that. You see that? Look like thin cut steaks. Next, we're going to boil these for 25 minutes. And while these are boiling, we're going to go ahead and make our marinade sauce for these steaks. For your marinade sauce, you're going to combine grapeseed oil or olive oil, whichever one you like, some agave in the raw, or maple syrup. I just chose agave because of the less sugar. And you add in your soy sauce. And you're going to just mix this up. Now your steaks are done. We're going to remove it from the water. Look at that, y'all. It looks like a real steak. That's crazy. We're going to set these aside. We're going to place them on a cutting board so they can cool off before we put them in the marinade sauce. Do you guys see how delicious this steak looks? Now you're gonna roll your steaks in a marinade sauce and let those marinate a bit. And while we're waiting on the steaks to finish marinating, we're going to go ahead and make the sauce that's going to go on top of the steaks after it's finished marinating. In a medium saucepan, you're going to heat up some oil on medium heat. You're going to add in your onions, and you're going to cook your onions till they become tender. Next, you want to add in your minced garlic. Now capers. Add in your salt and black pepper. And as you can see, I'm stirring this the whole time, adding your Dijon mustard. Add in your soy sauce. Add in your tarragon. Your red wine vinegar. And now we're going to slowly add in our vegetable stock. And we're just going to continue to stir this up until it's mixed very well. We're going to let this simmer for a bit. And just to give this sauce a creamier look, we're going to add it to a high-powered blender. We're going to blend it for a few seconds. And I know you can't really tell right here that the sauce has gotten creamier, but once you see me drizzle it over the steak, then you will be able to tell the difference. And now you have your delicious vegan steak. guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. See you next time. Bye.